Welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers. I'm getting ready to get my truck washed. Just waiting outside for them to open the door so I could go in. As you can see, people, I'm just opened the door and I'm about to drive in. And you'll see like the guy got a flashlight and he's directing me to drive up, and in front of me there's going to be a bobtail, which is the truck that they was washing before, and a bobtail is just a tractor part of the tractor trailer without the trailer. The person with the flashlight on the right side, that's the one who's directing me to drive in, and it's kind of difficult to see in here because of all the mist. It's real foggy. And in front of me, as I said before, that's the bobtail that they was washing before. So I'm gonna pull up and stop. They're gonna wet the truck and put their little chemical or whatever they put on it, and then I'm just gonna wait for the bobtail to leave, and then they're gonna direct me to drive up some more, and then I'm gonna stop. Right now, I'm just waiting on the bobtail to move up so I can drive up and stop. It's gonna take a few minutes for them to finish doing what they're doing with that truck. And once he moves or she moves, then I'm gonna drive up and let them do what they do. You know, this is the inside of a truck wash, what it looks like. It's not like a regular car wash. As you can see, they got like high pressure hoses, like 12-foot brushes with water coming out of everything, and you know, they're doing all types of they got all types of switches on the side that they turn on and off for different things. Like I said, I'm gonna do it when it's summertime so y'all could see, but like I said before too, I can't record in there, so I just gotta press the GoPro before I go in there and let it. Bobtail left out, no people. So reach up, park up, I'm gonna make them do them thing, and I'm gonna get out the truck, walk up, go over, and I with them take the payment. I'm gonna have to stay over there so until them finish, but the GoPro I will just run. I'm making it see where I go on. But we can hear all the different sound then. But them I make. Let them open the hood. But I told them I'm not paying for them to wash the engine, because it's a company truck, you know, and they don't reimburse you for nothing. So if I pay, it's paying my money to get it done, and the company will do it back to me. Put it this way, the company sends you into some place to go pick loads up, and get there, the only place to park is paid parking, which is $25. And it might not sound a lot to you, but when we do it over and over, comes a lot, and they won't give it back to you, and they tell you you cannot park the truck on the street, and you have to park the truck in a legal 10-hour rest area there, which is a rest stop or a truck stop. So you know, I'm paying my money for, you know, unless it's something that I really have to do for the truck and it's really bad looking inside, I'll get it done, but other than that, I'm not doing it. Sorry. hear them making. That's how they switch from one action to another. So they make those sounds, and then everybody know what they're doing, and they start doing whatever. The next thing, I shouldn't say whatever. Right now, they're washing the trailer. There's a couple of guys in the front still spraying water and doing whatever they're doing, but they're basically washing off the tractor and they're washing the trailer. Alright people, you see them close the bonnet. So it's about to be the end of this truck wash, the end of this video. Thank y'all for watching. My voice probably sound crazy. However, that's the best I can do at the moment. And like I said, thanks again for watching. The journey is long, stay strong. Let nobody stop your dreams. Go for what you believe in. And trust me, you'll succeed. Alright people, over and out. One love, let's go. Like, share, subscribe, comment.